Welcome back, guys. I'm going to show you two different ways in order to restore your website in full in case if it gets compromised or you've lost website data. The first one, you need to go to your dashboard, go your settings, and then go to Updraft plus Backups. Remember, we've already created a backup in a previous lecture, so now we just need to click the restore button. Now you need to decide what exactly you need to restore. Is it a database, the plugins, the themes, the uploads folder, or any other folder that you specified? So we click restore, and then you need to tick all these four boxes in order to restore the website in full. Click the restore button. And the plugin will just do its magic automatically. The other method I'm going to use is via cPanel. I've already created a backup earlier, so I'm going to go to the files and then the backups here, and then in the download a full website backup, I need to click that, and then this is the backup that I've already created earlier. So if I click that link, it'll allow me to download my cPanel hosting account in full. So once the files have been extracted, double click the folder. On here you're going to see a bunch of folders and files. There are two main folders that you really need to consider here. The first one, which is the home dir or home directory, and the other one is MySQL folder. If you double click the MySQL folder, you'll find all the SQL databases available for you. In this case, this is my live website SQL database. So I need to upload into PHPMyAdmin, which I'm going to show you shortly. If I go back and double click on the home directory folder, again you'll see a bunch of files and folders. What I need to consider is the public_HTML folder. Double click it, and here you'll find your site in full. So what you need to do is copy all of them and then drag them into your hosting account using FileZilla, which I'm going to show you in a second. Once you're ready to transfer the files into your hosting account, what you need to do is, if you feel that your website has been compromised, what I suggest, instead of deleting all these files, is to create a file, and we can call it backup site, and then put the date that you've done this. And then what you do is click all the files on your account and then just drag them into the folder that you've already created. So what you're going to end up with is the root file of your site, but only with that file in. So what I need to do now is drag and drop my files from cPanel. And it's going to take a while, so I'm going to pause this and get back to you. Now that all my files have been transferred successfully into my hosting account, and I test the website and everything works fine, then I can safely say that I can remove that folder with all the corrupt files there. Now that we've restored our website files, we need to restore our database. So in your cPanel hosting account, scroll all the way down to databases and click on PHPMyAdmin, and then on the left hand side we need to click on the live database. Forget about the information_schema. That's not the database that we want. We need the one on top. On the right hand side you're going to see a bunch of tables here, and then what we need to do is we need to get rid of all of that. So right at the bottom you need to tick the check all box, and then we need to drop all these tables. Don't select empty, because that will just empty all the data, but all the tables will remain. We need to drop it completely. and then we need to agree and say yes. Now if the structure is fully empty. Now in order to restore the database, we can do it in two different ways. The first one, we can click on SQL, and then we need to open the database that we've saved up earlier in the likes of Notepad, for example, and then copy all the data and then come here and paste it. So we need to paste all the code and then click go. Wait a few seconds, click on structure, and voila, we've got our database back again. Now the other way to do it is you need to scroll all the way down, take the check all box, and again drop, and then we need to drop all these tables, and then go to import, and then click on the browse. And what we need to do is we need to find the database, the SQL database that we've already saved up. Double click it and then click the go button. And there you have it. Our database has been fully restored. So now we've managed to restore all our files and our database.